Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install LLVM 15 on Linux Mint 21 operating system. So Linux Mint 21 uses the Ubuntu 22.04 repository. So LLVM 15 is a higher version available in the Ubuntu 22.04 repository. So same thing for Linux Mint 21 also. Okay. See here, LLVM 16 is not there. LLVM 17 also is not there in Ubuntu 22.04 repository. So LLVM 15 is a higher version available in the Ubuntu 22.04 repository. Okay. So now we are going to install the LLVM 15. So these are the additional packages and new packages will be installed. Press yes if you are okay with that, and make sure that you have faster internet connection in order to download and install the packages. So LLVM 15 installation is completed. So you can see multiple commands are there. You can see that commands ending with -15 belongs to LLVM 15 compilers. Okay. So clang -hyphen version points to default compiler 14, and clang -15 points to LLVM 15 compiler. Okay. So now okay, now I am going to show you how to compile and run C and C++ program using LLVM 15 compiler. So this is the command. Yes, I can able to compile and run C program. Now let us compile and run C++ program. Yes, I can able to compile and run C++ program also. So now I am going to show you how to compile the C++ program using -h option. So -h option will give you the output like this, okay, which means that what are the header files loaded in the memory stack. Okay, so these are the header files loaded in the memory stack. So this command will be useful for the beginners who does not aware about that what are the header files loaded. So same thing for C program also. Okay, clang-15-h option gives you the list of header files loaded in the memory. That is, what are the header files used by this program. Will give you an idea. Okay, where are the header files located. So basically all the header files are located under /usr/include directory. So you can see these are the header files used by C programs, and for C++ separate directory is there. And for LLVM you can see that separate folder is created. Okay, for LLVM 15 you can see separate folder is created. So already LLVM 14 is installed. Along with that, LLVM 15 is also installed. So separate commands and separate directory is available for LLVM 15. So you can install many version of LLVM parallelly. Okay. So LLVM 15 installation on Linux Mint 21 is successful.